So in this video we'll be unboxing and setting up for a test this folding solar panel kit. See if it'll work on a normal battery and if it'll be suitable for the shack. Alright, let's unbox this. So here we have the solar panel set up, just with a normal car battery. So this shows the charge controller that the photovoltaic is on. There's a load, which is the connected battery. Battery's got two LEDs lit up so far, so it's charging, but it's not full yet. And this one also has a USB out for power, so you can connect your USB devices and charge directly from here, which is quite handy. But what this means now is we can use this down at the shack with this system. I can be charging the battery while it's connected to the car fridge and charging it up for the lights and for the water pump and other things. So this should be good. I'm looking forward to trying it down there. Okay, thanks for watching this video and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.